This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Kia Sorento garage door opener. First, it is important to clear any existing home link codes, especially if your vehicle is pre-owned. To do this, ensure your Kia Sorento is in accessory mode or running. Then, press and hold the two outer home link buttons simultaneously for about 20 seconds until the indicator light flashes rapidly. This clears all previous programming. Now, let's program a fixed code garage door opener. First, park your Kia Sorento outside the garage. Hold your garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons. Simultaneously press and hold your chosen home link button and the button on your garage door remote. Continue holding until the home link indicator light changes from a slow orange flash to a solid green. Release both buttons and test the home link button. For rolling code garage door openers, an extra step is needed. After completing the initial programming, go to your garage door motor. Locate and press the Learn or Smart button. It might be near the antenna wire. You have about 30 seconds to return to your Kia Sorento. Inside the vehicle, firmly press and hold your programmed home link button for 2 seconds, then release. Repeat this action up to 3 times until the garage door activates. If you encounter issues, ensure your handheld remote has fresh batteries for a strong signal. Always park your Kia Sorento outside the garage during the programming process. Double-check that your vehicle is in accessory mode or running. If problems persist, consult your Kia Sorento owner's manual or the Home Link website for model-specific instructions. With these tips, you should successfully program your garage door opener.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.